What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to keep wiring. We have, as you saw in the last video, all the wires that need to run to the back, but now we've got them all the wires that need to come to the front now. So just continuing with the wiring for the FuelTech and everything else, all the switches, everything. So here we go. Alright guys, so we got the headlights wired in, and we have the test battery hooked up to there. As you can see, the lights are on. So we're gonna go test it. Go to the front here. Yep. There we go, they're on. Relays are working. Good to go. Alright, so we have the taillight wired in now. So we're going to test that. Yep. Go check on the headlights. See if the rings come on. Yep, and we switched the rings to white on them. So yeah, there you go. Those are all working. Alright, here we go with the fuel pump. Alright, we got the fuel pump working. Now we're going to work on the water pump. Alright, now we got the water pump. Yep. And now the fan. Yep. And now we got the line lock. Alright, so we got the dome light wired in here. And real quick, I'll just show you guys how we do this. So we have 12-volt battery, and then we have built this cable, and it clips onto the power here, and then the ground clips onto the ground on the fuse board here. And then to trigger it, we're triggering it by ground. So we clip this cable with the alligator clips onto the end of that. And when I touch that, it should turn on. So there. Got it.
I'm good.
Alright, now we're going to test the trans brake.
There it is. Works.
Alright, so we have power to the boards. I pushed that back, so now that is locked back because it has power, and when he clicks the relay, it should go forward. So, yep, there we go. That's the shifter working. Alright, so I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that very well, but they are on. Except for the tach and the volt gauge, because those need ground. So, yeah, that is working. Alright guys, so we got almost all of the relays set up. Everything except for the ignition. That just has to go right to the box down there. So, we should be good for now. Just gotta keep working on it. So, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and bye for now.